Somali Finance Minister meets with UN officials in Mogadishu. The Minister of Finance of the federal government of Somalia, Abdurrahman Dual Bail, held a meeting with UN officials in Mogadishu on Tuesday. Bail had talks with the United Nations Special Representative for Somalia, James Swan, and his deputy, Adam Abdul Maula, focusing on the country's economic situation. The UN office in Somalia has pledged continued support to the Somali government in financial reform and debt relief. The new PM Mohammed Hussein Roble has this week met with the US ambassador in Mogadishu and signed a deal on the debt cancellation.